Solana Sol plummets 10%. Here's why Ethereum ETF effect will kick in. Cardano ADA brand new support level. The price of Cardano ADA is $0.4626 with a 24-hour trading volume of 257,257,261,008.72. This represents a 0.11% price increase in the last 24 hours and minus 4.63% price decline in the past 7 days. With a circulating supply of 35 billion ADA, Cardano is valued at a market cap of $16.3 billion. Solana lost around 10% of its value in an unexpected manner. Welcome back to Crypto Educate channel. Remember, your support is very important. Like my video, share it, comment, subscribe, and watch this video to the end. The asset that looked well positioned for the rally after the preliminary approval of the Ethereum ETF is currently looking weaker than the rest of the market, and it's not clear if it's going to recover properly. Examining the chart, Solana experienced a sharp decline, dropping from around $176 to $164. This significant drop has brought Sol down to test its support level at $160, which has previously acted as a strong support area. If this level fails to hold, the next major support lies at $150, corresponding with the 200-day moving average orange line. Sol USDT chart by TradingView. On the resistance side, Solana faces immediate resistance at $176, a level it struggled to maintain before the recent drop. Above this, the next key resistance is around $190, where the 50-day moving average blue line currently resides. Breaking through these levels would be necessary for any substantial recovery. Several factors could be contributing to Solana's decline. First, market sentiment following the Ethereum ETF approval has been mixed, with some assets benefiting while others like Solana suffer. Additionally, technical factors such as failing to maintain key resistance levels might have triggered stop-loss orders, accelerating the sell-off. For traders and investors, the $160 support level is critical. If Solana can maintain this level, it may consolidate and attempt another upward move. However, if it breaks below $160, the next significant level to watch would be $150. This could indicate further downside potential, and investors might need to brace for more volatility. Ethereum stays composed. The expected kick in price that many attributed to Ethereum's ETF effect turned out to be a fiasco. There are quite a number of factors that could be responsible for bringing out such poor price performance, although for the time being, the more important question remains, could there be price growth ahead, rather than talks about the failed rally. Ethereum, until this point in time, had not been able to really breach key resistance levels even after ETF approval. Critical reasons behind this are the kind of approval, it was not the full-blown S1 type, and hence the doors for further regulatory issues are still open. Besides, the Division of Trading and Markets gave this consent under delegated authority, which is subject to challenge over the next 10 days. All this amounts to some additional uncertainty that adds to the overall position of the markets. But it is not all bad over the long term. The plain fact that any acceptance of an Ethereum ETF, even partial, sets a precedent in this space and sets off further potential and larger instances of crypto adoption. Cardano's weird position. Cardano is not the most noted asset in the market, does not bring much volatility, and therefore did not form very noticeable moves in previous weeks. However, we can see some potential here because 80 is approaching a major support, which can afterwards serve as a base for a reverse. At this point, the chart is showing Cardano establishing a new level of support, around $0.45 This level has been tested several times and is held up under the pressure of the downside, perhaps pointing to some real interest in that price. The volume spike on this new movement definitely strengthens the case for this to be an important level for the price. If 80 can hold onto this level, it might serve as a nice base upon which to initiate an upward move. On a daily chart, ADA has its immediate resistance located at $0.50. This is a price level at which the ticker has seen rejections and the onward price action for the last couple of days. One critical thing to note is that once breached, the current fanatical rally could see a target at $0.55, where the 200-day moving average lies. Now, let me tell you how much you need to be a millionaire if Cardano ADA hits $5 or $50. Over the past few years, Cardano 80 has emerged as one of the most talked about crypto assets that has attracted considerable attention after showing glimpses of becoming a rewarding investment in past bull seasons. During the 2021 bull season, ADA displayed its massive potential for expansion when it skyrocketed to attain a $3.09 all-time high. While the present market outlook has not been favorable for most crypto prospects, hope still abounds for a potential positive turnaround in 80's price actions. Consequently, Cardano holders are still hopeful about earning massive rewards once the market swings in a bullish trajectory. However, the extent to which 80 would appreciate remains unknown, as it can only be speculated based on various price predictions. At press time, 80 is trading at relatively $0.48. Let's talk about becoming a millionaire if 80 hits $5. At the current price, 200,000 80 is needed to become a millionaire. Accumulating 200,000 80 at $0.50, 5 require an investment capital of about $100,000, implying that profits would amount to $900,000 once 80 ascends to $5, ascending to a millionaire status if 80 hits $50. While a $50 price target might sound quite ridiculous, it is not far-fetched, considering that the crypto market could be dynamic with the least anticipated price actions. Amassing $1 million if 80 hits $50 would require 20,000 tokens worth approximately $10,000 at 80's current selling price and representing profits of around $990,000. Possibilities of 80 hitting either $5 or $50 market experts' insights. In an old news publication, Javon Marks, a crypto analyst and strategist, predicted a two-part upward trajectory for 80. In the first phase, the analyst projected a 462% surge that would skyrocket 80's price towards the $2.70 mark. For the second part of the upward trajectory, Javon predicted a 1,500% surge that would propel the digital asset toward a $7.80 A target. Meanwhile, Changelly and Legon have projected potential timelines for 80 to hit $50. Changelly stated that the digital asset would hit the lofty price target around 2040. The industry doesn't need Bitcoin anymore to survive. It's nice to have a digital asset like Bitcoin that has that reputation and its digital goal. Hoskinson said, "Remember, at the end of the day, it's a token with a deflationary monetary policy." Hoskinson pointed to Bitcoin's lack of adaptability and reliance on proof of work as reasons for its endangerment. In the interview, he claimed that leading tech companies like Microsoft had to adapt to technological changes like laptops and cell phones to survive. It's a religion, not an ecosystem, Hoskinson said. Hoskinson's opinion on Bitcoin's lack of adaptability contrasts with Cardano's approach, which utilizes a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism and aims to address scalability and sustainability issues. Recently, Cardano whales transferred significant holdings to Solana and Roblox during a market uptrend, driven by recent bullish momentum and the impressive performance of these emerging tokens.
Let's stop here for now. Guys, this information should not be considered financial advice. I encourage you to do thorough research before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching my video. Keep supporting my channel. See you in my next video.